Your calculation and answer regarding the wire size for a 50 kilowatt 208 volt 3-phase heater are correct. To determine the appropriate wire size, you first need to calculate the current. You correctly divided 50,000 watts by 360, which is 208 volts multiplied by 1.73, the square root of 3 for a 3-phase system. This yields 138.88 amps. Since the load is a heater and considered continuous, you must apply a 125% demand factor. Multiplying 138.88 amps by 1.25 results in 173.6 amps. According to the National Electrical Code, Table 310.16, a 2/0 copper conductor has an ampacity of 175 amps, which is sufficient for the calculated load of 173.6 amps. Therefore, your selection of 2/0 copper wire is appropriate. It is advisable to contact the electrical board to inform them of the incorrect answer key on the test. This could potentially impact other test takers' scores. Double check your work to see if your answer matches. If the answer is still not shown, then it is possible it is missing on the answer sheet. Contact the electrical board to address your concerns.